Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to disk 0 partition 1. So initially this error is happened because your disk partition style, it could be NBR or GPT, does not match with your system firmware mode, that could be BIOS or UEFI. Because partition 1 is usually a system received EFI partition which is either too small or formatted incorrectly for Windows installation. So first you need to boot from Windows installation media. In that time you can press Shift plus F10 key to open command prompt. So I am going to open it from here. So you can press Shift and F10 to open command prompt. Right click on it and tap on Run as Administrator. You can do this using Shift and F10. So then after once you open it, you need to type disk part and hit enter. Okay, now you need to type list disk and hit enter. So you can see there are two drives in my computer. So first you need to select your disk you are going to install Windows. So it's up to you. Select disk, and if you plan to install Windows on disk 0, set the 0 and hit enter. So there is an asterisk mark in here. If the asterisk mark is in the GPT section, that means the disk 1 is GPT. So okay, if your system, that means in your pen drive, your Windows system is formatted as MBR, so your disk is, assume your disk is GPT like the second one, you need to convert your GPT disk into MBR because your Windows file system is using MBR. So to do that, first you need to type clean. Please remember, this will completely remove your system files and all the files in that disk. So before that you have to add the pen drive into your computer and copy all the necessary information to that pen drive. Then after you can tap on clean. This will completely format your drive. Once clean is process completed, again you need to type convert MBR. This will convert your GPT drive into MBR. Assume you have MBR drive and you need to convert into the GPT. Process is similar to previous one. First you need to clean that one, then after you need to type convert GPT like this, then hit enter. Once it is completed, you can type exit command like this, hit enter. So then after you can close that command line interface and you can continue with Windows installation. If your disk has some conflicting partitions, again you can open the command prompt using Shift plus F10. Then after type clean command. This will completely clean and fix the conflicting partitions also. So other than that, you can disable secure boot and adjust BIOS setting. To do that, first you need to enter BIOS setting using boot during boot. So usually it is delete key F2 or F10, and there is option called disable secure boot. You have to disable that one for temporary, and you have to ensure the boot mode is matches with the partition style. If it is not matching, you can convert that as I previously told, clean, and then after convert to GPT or MBR. Then after you can save changes and restart the installation. And other than that, you can update storage drivers during Windows installation. There is option called load driver in the one of the method. Then after you can download storage drives from their manufacturer website, and you can install those drives for update the storage drives. And then after you can check disk for errors. To do that, again you need to press Shift plus F10. It will be open command prompt. I am going to open it like this. Then after you need to type chkdsk space /f space /r. Hit enter. This will check and fix the disk errors. As final step, you can extend or select the correct partition for the installation. So these are the methods you can try to fix Windows cannot be installed on disk 0 issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.